Now moving on, the last rites of Thaunaujam Lokeshwar of Salam Sabal Leikai, who went missing after he went out of his residence on December 23 in 2024, was performed today at the locality. The last rites of the missing person was performed as per the Meitei tradition of replacing mortal remains with wooden planks called pangong, when the whereabouts of a missing person cannot be traced for a long time. Speaking to reporters, Salam Maning Apunba Mayapaibi Secretary Arambam Rite expressed strong suspicion that Lokeshwar, son of late T.H. Kripa, could have been murdered by Kuki-armed persons after he went out from his home to work in the French area of Kadangban village on December 23 last year. She added that the last rites of the missing person was performed according to Meitei's tradition in view of the long-time sufferings endured by his family and with the belief to get a closure for the family members.
Akoi sida salam dagi masase akoi Kadangban gi area da leire haiba khangwadagi mase thabak chuba koina chapa minina mase khoi ko chi thiba adum inna basida mase sida leire haibdi Kadangban ji tangkulum dei chi jangsan bakanda tangkulum dei sida ma rezon jaga da lanjan gi badagi mase thiba khangdreba rezon jaga da lanjan gi thigune khoi surrounding akoi basida khoi thiba yaba lawe yaba pause lawreba mase tholak tabra tasengna khoi ju thiba yaba thira matung da khangaktrabanina ngasi jun yawramani hojikse jun gi tang kunmathoi oiramani si pura tha taret mapung pharkadoreba mana thiba khangaktabase ma thiba khangdabasina maram oiraga akoi si imung manungda charak sahingneba yamna nungaitaba thawuk mayam ama leirabanina ma se tasengna ma se pangongna mahut silaga magi mathau maroi mathau mangamse pangthokna baina khoi mayam punna sinminnabani.
Meanwhile, Awang Kuno Jila Parishad Chairperson Maibam Somorjit highlighted the kinds of pain and suffering being endured by Lokeshwar's family since the day he went missing. He also urged the government to provide adequate compensation to Lokeshwar's family in view of the fact that missing victim was the sole breadwinner in his family.
Mungsida mana lemi bo kaasida akoigi mamong nupi amasung macha nupana leiba matamda kiba khangba amadi leibida nungaitaba mong mato mayam utpa fina marmo akanda lekai gi club ki mera paibi amadi kendra sigi honorable MLA oidiriba mingwena panjarabada siri S Rajan Singho bu jokoi kupna khanaraba amasung tanara matungda lekai gi halaman jinga kupna khanar matungda khanga hijinga tanaraga ngasi ekoi magi mitam loduna poloi bagi thoramasi pangthokchabani adugo loinana leigidro maki mafamda ekoi gi sarkar gi site gi Yom Thokpa compensation amadi tawom thokpa sing adu tawbiyo hadana sarkar gi tuning sing sinjari.